Welcome to Analysis Prime University. My name is Michael Quinn, and I am a Senior Analytics Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. In this tutorial, navigating the home screen, you will learn how to access the main areas of your home screen, use the navigation bar to access apps, files, and other functions, ask questions using the Search to Insight function, and also how to move tiles and widgets on your home screen. From your home screen, it'll look similar to this, and you will see certain areas. This area on the left is your navigation bar. It may look like that, and if it does, then you expand the navigation bar. In this area, you can go to your home page, which is where we are, the home screen. You can also access your files. You can also then utilize any apps or other functions available to you. This next area is the shell bar, which can bring you either back a page or an action or to your home screen. In addition, when you've got a story or content or a file open, it will also show you the file path of how you got to that information. Over here in the toolbar, you have your standard search. You have your Search to Insight, which we're going to show you in just a second. And then you can have any notifications. You could start some dialogue or conversations through collaboration. You have general help, and then you have your profile. If you click on the Search to Insight icon, what this does is it brings up information where you can ask questions about models and information and other visualizations that you have. So for example, if I put in that I wanted to see what do we have around revenue, you can see what it shows so far. And then if I put in more information, and now I've got revenue by sales manager, there's 5 matches. So if I click on revenue by sales manager, and then I run the search, it's going to show me. Here's one that says show revenue by sales manager. And also based on that information, the Search to Insight will make recommendations for other types of searches in which I might be interested. Again, it's a great tool to utilize. I'm going to exit out of that. And then the other piece on your home screen are your various widgets and tiles. So as you add new widgets or tiles, or you're working with stories, you can pin them to your home screen. If you want to move them around, you simply just drag them around to whatever position you would like. If there is something on here that you don't want on your home screen, you can simply remove it by hitting the delete button. Or also, if you had a tile here and you click on the ellipsis and then you wanted to go to that sample, you would simply click on that sample and it will take you to that information. In this tutorial, we covered how to access the main areas of your home screen, how to use that navigation bar to access apps, files, and other functions, how to utilize the Search to Insight function to ask questions of models and samples that are available, and also how to arrange your home screen by moving tiles and widgets in an arrangement that is pleasing to you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalog of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprimeuniversity.com.